Hey guys, so today I made a compost bin out of an old tote and some cardboard and a piece of plywood. Um, so we originally were just gonna bury our kitchen scraps in the garden and be done with it, but we decided to put down a weed barrier throughout the garden, so there's actually nowhere to bury it anymore. And so now we are figuring out something else. So this was our alternative. I didn't want to spend money on it this time around. Um, so what is so what I did is I took an old clear tote that was gonna go in the garbage eventually because it's cracked and old and doesn't have an actual lid. Um, and I drilled holes in the bottom, quarter-inch holes, like 10 or so of them. And then I took a piece of scrap plywood and I drilled holes in that as well. I lined the box or the bin, the plastic bin, with cardboard because it's clear, and in case I decide to do vermicomposting, like, they'll eat through the cardboard eventually and it'll break down, but they like a dark place, so I want to be prepared for that. Then I added our kitchen scraps, and I have some shredded newspaper with some rabbit manure from someone that I know at the crochet group at the library. And that is what I did. I have this over by the chicken coop, and I close the lid with two bungees, and that should keep out most scavengers, I'm hoping. I'll come and stir this around about once a week, and in a few months I should have some compost, and I'll continue to add our kitchen scraps and any shredded paper and manure that we get to it. This is probably our first step into getting into, as first time as married person, getting into compost. And hopefully we'll be getting into vermiculture because I really like vermiculture. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a video on vermicomposting versus regular hot composting or even cold composting, and talk about the different methods, the different compost styles, and what works best in different situations. So look for that video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.